your team's productivity with AI agents, our latest smart automation tool. Explore built-in agents for task triage, intake validation, and risk reporting, or create custom agents tailored to your workflows. AI agents observe your projects, analyze context, and take action to keep teams efficient and proactive. Unlock new levels of productivity with AI agents and transform the way you work. New solution templates are now available, making it easy to launch new projects or teams with proven configurations in just a few clicks. Explore the Wrike Solutions section in the Templates and Solutions Center for options like client service delivery and manufacturing product lifecycle. Plus, check out community templates created by Wrike customers, including digital asset management and company knowledge base. You can also find templates created by your company and discover the perfect template to jumpstart your work today. Creating request forms just got faster and smarter. With our new AI-powered form generator, you can instantly create detailed forms. Just pick a template or enter your prompt and click Create Draft. Fine-tune the draft if you'd like, then publish your form. Try the AI form generator and streamline your workflow today. Read more about these and other exciting features in our weekly release notes.